My name is Benjamin Wong. I'm the CEO and co-founder of TranSwap. Back in 1997, at the time itself, I was working for a company and we needs to send money overseas. And the bank was too expensive, hedging was too expensive. Particularly for SME itself, it's almost impossible. As you could remember, back in 1997 is the ASEAN financial crisis. It all started in Thailand when there's an overborrowing of US dollar and it was attacked. And subsequently itself, it all came down to Malaysia, to Indonesia, and of course Singapore. Fortunately, Singapore itself has a reserve and the attack did not attack Singapore. So in my small little company itself, I was thinking, how can I send cross-border payment to someone in overseas? Fortunately itself, I have a friend in overseas where he needs our Sing dollar to pay his suppliers in Singapore, and for me, I need US dollar to pay for my supplier in the other country. So therefore, we agree on the rates to swap and the time to pay. But however, during the time, it can only operate like a private deal because the regulatory itself is not ready, the technology, the internet was not ready. TranSwap started very much as a gap, as a pain point that I have, is to address the payment, especially particularly for cross-border payment for SME. SME itself, naturally being small, do not have the bargaining power, then often very much they do not get a good rates from the bank. So we thought itself, the started point itself is to help assist the SME because there was a huge gap in the market for SME and for individuals who do not have a VIP treatments by the incumbents, the financial institutions. TranSwap itself, right at this moment itself, is more than just a cross-border payment. We are actually a global payment infrastructure for payments and collection, facilitate payments and collections for enterprise, financial institutions, and businesses, even for individuals as well. TranSwap is keen on the SME because SME itself have a lot of pain points, a lot of gaps. So finding a right partnership to help SME to digitalize is very important. So our product itself is designed to help SME. We have a suite of financial solutions, particularly address SME to help them to digitalize, help them in seamlessly pay and collect. In whatever business you do, you always have payments and you always have collection. How to make this seamlessly inside their system, inside the accounting system, inside their ERP system. We are pursuing this not only in Singapore, but also help SME to globalize. SME itself needs to go overseas, to UK, to Europe, or to countries that we are in. We will help them in their payments and their collection and their digitalization. The most memorable obstacle which I face and overcome, to be frank, there are so many. However, if you force me to identify the most memorable, I would say is we got our license to operate. Probably another second one is we were being validated by a VC and got a grant from National Research Foundations. They call it the iGEM grant and supported by VC. As a financial technology, Fintech itself, the technology become relevant, not only financial but technological. Moving forward itself, innovation takes place very fast-paced. As we know, 5G is coming in. When 5G is roll in, technology innovation will speed up because it is an enabler through 5G itself. But when 5G comes in, a lot of enhancement can take place. AI, blockchain currently itself may be lagging, but when this comes in itself, it will actually, the superhighway will actually eliminate a lot of things that currently you can't do well. So technology advancement is a continuous thing. And plus, cybersecurity. As we're in a business itself of sending money, we do not want our platform itself to be used by money launderer. So technology-wise, we have to build up a very strong capability technology to ensure all this has been done in the background.